Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to post on a TikTok to view by everyone. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your TikTok application, and after that you can see that in the bottom here there is like 5 sections, and if you are stay in home section you just need to go click this plus button to access the TikTok camera. And now you can also use this photo, or you can also use the video with these options for the durations. And if you already have the video, you just need to go click upload and just create the video. And here I think I would like to try to record some seconds of video. And after that you just need to go click this checklist button, go click next, and now you just need to go at the captions. You can also select the cover, and whenever you're ready, now you just need to take a look on this part. If you want this post is viewed by everyone, make sure that this option is already belongs to everyone can view this post. If you're willing to change it, you just need to go click it and change the option. So remember, when you want to make this post can be viewed by everyone, you need to click this everyone. And whenever you're already done doing that, go click post. So that's the way how to create a TikTok post to be fit with everyone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.